Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. Today we are going to be painting the lettering on the valve cover. Check it out. So I'm not going to take any of this apart and then paint it. So I'm going to leave it all intact. What I'm going to do is first, clean the indentation of the letters as well as I can. And then I'm going to mask it off and cut out the letters with a fine blade. So that's just if I have any overspill of the paint so it doesn't get on anything else, and I keep it in the grooves. And we're going to take it from there. So the best way to do this, which I saw on YouTube, shout out to Greg from the Car Passion channel, is he used a syringe and then you squirt it into the lettering in the indentation, and that way you can fill it quite nicely and it works really well. Seeing I don't have a syringe or can't get my hands on one at the moment, I'm going to use a toothpick and dab in the paint as carefully as possible, and we're going to see if that works. So what I did is I used the pencil and just lightly scraped over the lettering and used the backside of the pencil and then roughed it in, and that way the masking tape makes an indentation and you can also see the outline of the letters. So I don't know if you can see, that's what it looks like. And that way you can see exactly where the letters are, so I can take the blade and cut it out perfectly. So let's get to that. Okay, I'm done with the Mazda. That took about 20 minutes. And now I've got to jump onto the other side and get that done. Yeah, that was tough, but I got that side done too. That took about 30 minutes. So now it's time for paint. So I'm going to be using this DTM Smooth Black metal paint. It's a 3-in-1. It's got primer, anti-rust, and it comes out looking like smooth gloss black. And I think this is going to work really well. It's going to flow into those letters, and it's going to look good. Okay, Mazda is filled in. I'm gonna let that dry for just a few minutes and then peel back the masking tape and see if anything went over the edges, which I need to clean up before it dries completely. And then hopefully we're good to go. We can jump onto the other one. Wow, I think that came out damn near fantastic. Now it's just time to jump onto the other side and get it done. Other side is done finally. Took a few minutes as well. Pretty time consuming job, but it's going to be well worth it. We're the same as the other side. We're going to give it a few minutes to dry, and then we're going to peel back the masking tape and see if there's anything we need to clean up. And then we're gonna leave it to dry overnight, and then tomorrow it should be 100%. We are done. It came out way better than I thought it would, and it just looks fantastic. Check that out. That's it, guys. We are done. I'm very happy with that. It took a couple of hours to do, but it was well worth it. Came out looking really good. Now it just has to dry, and then we are ready to rip again. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and I will see you on the next one. See ya.